So when pricing ceramic coating, we look at a few different factors to determine that price. The first thing we look at is the condition of the paint. So we look and see if it's got swirl marks, if it's got water spots that are already on there. That stuff has to be corrected before we do the ceramic coating, so that your paint and your ceramic coating job can look as perfect as possible. The second thing we look at is if there's anything that needs to come off the vehicle for us to be able to do that ceramic coating. So if we have to take spoilers off, take any kind of exterior trim panels off to apply that coating correctly. And the third thing we determine is basically which ceramic coating works best for you, what fits your needs the most. So if we've got a 5-year coating and we've got a 9-year coating. The 5-year coating is obviously lasts a little bit less time. It doesn't quite get as hard as the 9-year coating. So, but some people don't keep their vehicles, but 3 years, and that coating would be probably a better coating suited for them. Whereas people that want to keep their vehicle for a lifetime, they would probably want to go with a 9-year coating there. But typical price range on something like that, just to give you an idea, on a smaller car like a 4-door sedan, your price range is probably going to fall within the $1,000 to $1,200 range. If it's a pretty new vehicle, if it needs a little bit more correction, then that price would go up a little bit from there. On a brand new truck, let's say for an F-150 for instance, brand new coating for those can run somewhere between the $1,250 to $1,500 range. Most of the coatings we have that we do with a 9-year coating average about $1,500 for a vehicle that size. So for the most part, you can kind of expect to see somewhere between that $1,000 to $1,500 range if it's a fairly new vehicle. And if it needs a little bit more correcting, that price could go up from there.